Guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's another nail vlog video, whatever you want to call it. Still not calling it a tutorial since I haven't been practicing that much. Like, I haven't had anybody nails really do, and I've been breaking, so like I haven't been practicing. But I said, you know what, I felt like, you know, kind of doing a pampering myself this weekend. And so this is not a pamper vlog or anything, but this is just me doing my nails. And so this is me snapping back, getting back into the groove of practicing with my nails. So today I said I wanted to go ahead and do like a nude set. So let's just go ahead and jump into the video and let me done with the rambling. So let's go. This is just the intro, so let's go.
All right guys, so as usual, you know, I'm starting off with prepping my nails. This is a super important step to ensure that you don't have nails that are lifting. I realized this after, you know, I realized the true importance of this after doing my first set ever. I don't know if you guys remember that nail vlog that I did the other day. It lasted me like a week and a half, and that was so annoying because usually when I get my nails done, they last like even like a month or a month and even longer. Honestly, they come off when I'm ready for them to come off. So with this, the last time when I ensured that I took my time and prepped my nails properly, the nails lasted me like almost a month. Like, it was like one that broke off. I did my sister's own and none didn't break off at all, and hers were extremely long. So definitely prep your nails properly if you're going to, you know, start practicing and doing this for yourself. So as you can see, I went ahead and applied the nails. I did these long stiletto clear nails for no particular reason, but they're really easy to work with. I find that they're kind of like softer nails, and I honestly wanted to work with a longer length this time, so I used them again. I also got some new nails off from the beauty supply store, and I ordered some more online, but I didn't feel like using those just yet. So as you can see, I'm just, you know, prepping these as well, buffing them down, ensuring that they are flat enough. I couldn't manage to get the other type, you know, like the type that doesn't curve at the base there that you glue onto your nail. I'm yet to get a super long length with that base, if you understand what I'm talking about. So yeah, I'm still searching though, if you have any recommendations, let me know, drop the link below. I'd really appreciate it. So as you can see, I'm applying the primer here, and because primer is very important. Like, if you don't apply a primer, don't expect it to last at all. I use my was this like a dark nude? It's a nude that I got this acrylic powder from the beauty supply store as well. Took my time, and guys, this is my right hand that I'm working on, and I decided to kind of show you guys a little bit more of my right hand in this vlog. Usually I don't dwell on the right hand that much because it's usually like a hot mess, and I'm not gonna lie, I come a far way. This is still not all that, I know, but you know, for a beginner, somebody who is really just practicing and stuff like this, compared to when I can go check out the video when I just like I took my time, and I didn't really speed up this portion either because I wanted you guys to see like how slow I was going and building it up. With time, I'll definitely, one of my goal is to place the beads a little better and spread them out a little better and neater, but it's coming along in comparison to how I started out. So now, I'm not gonna lie, it's a big improvement. So I felt like really showing you guys me just doing my right hand. Like, when you're doing this, you want to make sure you're not going nowhere. Like, you just have the evening to kill, because listen, this took me like 3 hours. I was just sitting down chilling, and I took my little time. So yeah. And also, you want to ensure that you seal the base. Like, when you apply the acrylic, ensure that you're, you know, pressing it down in there. You don't want to leave any room for any water to seep beneath your nail. That's very important, because that's one way how people catch fungus and them things in their nails. So you need to ensure that you, as I said before, prep the nails properly and watch how you're placing the acrylic on the nails. So yeah, I left out the ring finger just because I wanted to apply orange. I've worked with this acrylic in previous nail video, when I did the like swoop, the diagonal lines. I wanted to work with it again because that's the vibe I was feeling. I wanted to get yellow acrylic, but I couldn't get it. I didn't get it on time, so I just went ahead and used orange again. I really didn't want to use the orange because I used it in a nail video the other day already, so it was kind of redundant for me. But I said, sure, I'm feeling the summer vibes, and despite of everything that's going on, so I said let me use the orange. And I use like this foil thingy that I got from a beauty supply store. It's not discount, I don't remember the name of it. It's on, if you're in Kingston, Jamaica, it's in Tropical Plaza near Proactive Lifestyle. They sell a lot of like beauty supply stuff, so that's where I got this little file thing. It's really easy to work with. You just mold it however you want it. Well, it's not really easy to work with, let me not, like, I had to take my time to place these the way I wanted to place it. So what I did was I actually placed a light layer of the orange acrylic, and then I went over top with the foil thingy, and I'm not sure of the correct name because it doesn't have label on the thing. And then I went over top to build the nail up with clear acrylic, you know. So yeah, that's what I did to do this nail. Honestly, I wanted to do something else, but I feel like I'm going to have to get another piece of equipment to do what I have in mind. So that's why I went so simple. And honestly, I wasn't even in the mood to do anything like too out there, just because, as I said, I wasn't practicing that much, and I was scared that I might have like, you know, the foolishness and or it just not come out good. So I said I'm going to play it safe, and I just did a nude set with a splash of color, and that's exactly what I am doing. Of course, you guys know buffing always saves the day, okay? With filing your nails, you trust me, the acrylic placement could have looked a hot mess. When you take your time and you file and you drill, and that's the reason why I ensured to get my drill. Remember, I just started out, I never have a drill, and the drill was so cheap, like $25 or something, like, so I paid for it online. I bought it on eBay. And I tell you, when you file and you drill properly, don't cut yourself now with the drill, because you need to be like very careful. Trust me, it really bring your nail a long way. Like, honestly, little bumps and lumps that I had before, but as I go along, you'll see that I slowly erased a lot of that, and it looked way more presentable. I'm really proud of myself with the shaping. It's definitely not 100, but I am coming on way better than before, so I'm very grateful for that, despite I wasn't even practicing that much. So like, yeah, I actually wanted to attempt a matte set, but I don't have everything to do that currently, so I'm gonna work on getting my more stuff in my collection so I can do that. And no, I'll still go to the nail tech, but as I mentioned before, like, you know, when I have like a special occasion, because my nail tech is the bomb, okay? She is the bomb. So I'll still go to the nail tech, but for now, where I'm just kind of taking it easy, nothing big and extravagant, not really go on, you know. It doesn't hurt to just practice. It's nice to know to do things yourself. Like, trust me, I'm that kind of person. I like to know for the things in myself. Especially with beauty, it can be a pain to go to salons. Trust me. And this is how we're looking at the end. I'm here chatting away. But guys, you see how everything is looking way more presentable. I tell you, one of my goal is to kind of learn to place the beads a little neater and shape it better while applying the acrylic, so that, you know, when it comes down to buffing, I don't even have to do that much work, you know. Because I see some nail tech work so neat to the point where they barely have any buffing to do when they're done. So this is what we have, what I had, but this is what it looks like at the end. I was pretty pleased, you know. It's pretty neutral, and even though it's long length, it's still toned down just because of it being nude. So yeah, that's literally it. That is it, guys.
Yeah guys, this is what I came up with, something really simple. This was really how I was feeling. I have a lot of inspiration, like inspirational pics and stuff that I save, and I kind of like twist and turn and add my little thing. So I'm going along. I'm new to nails, so I can't really bring all of what I have in my head to life just yet, but with practice and time, of course. So yeah, this is what I did. Something very simple, very simple. I would say beginner friendly, but I'd say, you know, with practice. So I feel like I did a little better with the shaping this time. Of course, yes, I know this length, not everybody's fond of it, it's very bold, but I'm a person, me love long nails, because guess what, my fingernails short, and I'm a tiny person. Okay, I'm 5'1", so even though you guys watch, you might feel like I'm like regular, like I'm probably 5'5", 5'6", I don't know, I'm not, like, I'm a tiny, okay, I'm tiny. So if you see me in person, don't be like, oh my god, don't be alarmed or anything. I always meet supporters and they're like, oh my god, like, you know. But yeah, I'm tiny, I'm 5'1", like I feel like I love that little length. I love that little length. So I always just, there's something about long nails. Sometimes I do short nails, but most of the times because sometimes I'm gonna do short nails, I feel like minutes even do not like when I'm gonna do these fast, because I feel like you can't explore with more with long nails. But I'm just here chatting, and that's the end of the video. But yeah guys, that's pretty much the end of today's nail vlog, nail video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up, and if you're not yet subscribed, what are you doing, girl? I upload like every single week, at least 3 times a week. Your girl is consistent, okay? I am consistent, and I am wearing a closure wig at the moment, and I know that a lot of you might like this. I love it. You guys know I'm a sucker for my curly wig. So this video is literally going to be live this week, so stay tuned for that, this installation. Stay tuned for that, and that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Head on over to my vlog channel right now, because there's a new vlog waiting there, so go ahead and check out what's new over there if you haven't already. And that's it for now. All right, that's it for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.